guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori. It's me. And tonight I have, oh, Alex behind me. A little budget money saving video for you. That's I'm in my kitchen. Part of my goals for 2019 is to stop spending frivolously. Stop wasting money on things that I don't need or have to do. So, one of my biggest expenses is coffee at work. It's true. I bring some type of a travel cup. This one just happens to be the one handy. In the morning, and then I've been going to Starbucks at like 1:30 in the afternoon and getting a venti. I enjoy coffee. I love it. And I've been trying to figure out a way to get my coffee at work and not pay $3 a cup. So the building that I'm in, we're not allowed to have a Keurig. We're not allowed to have our own coffee maker. Oh, my chin's red. We have to buy it from Starbucks or the cafe, and the cafe is gross, so Starbucks is really my only coffee option. So I've been thinking and thinking and thinking, because I knew this day was coming, that I'm going to stop. My coffee habit at Starbucks is $60 a month. Yeah, $63 a day, 5 days a week. It needs to end. So I have settled on a system that I'm hoping will work, and I want to share it with you. I'm going to try the pour over method. And I've had one of these before when I used to travel for work, but I got rid of it. So I bought one of these. This is the Melita brand. I got it at Bed Bath & Beyond for $4.99. And it's nothing that's going to break. It's literally a filter that you sit on top of your cup. And then you get these filters, number 2, and this was $3.99 also, but I'm sure I can get them cheaper. I just grabbed them while I was there. And this is 100 cone filters. So let's grab one for $10. And it's just the natural paper. You open it up and you put it down in your cone, and it sits there. Then you take your coffee. I bought French vanilla at Aldi, which I really like. This was $3.79 for a 12-ounce bag. So a little less than a pound. And then I got my sweetener to take, which I bring anyway. So I just grabbed an extra box. I'm going to store it in a ball jar until I can find a bigger one with a lid that snaps. Keep it fresh. And when I think on a different video, I bought a set of measuring things for the cat food. So I'm going to take the tablespoon measurer with me. This will keep the coffee fresh in here in my drawer. And then when I want a cup of coffee, I'll go to the cafeteria or the Starbucks. I'm taking this cup with me to leave at work. So actually, I'll just take this, have it filled up with hot water, put this over whatever cup I'm using for that day with a couple scoops of coffee, and then you slowly just pour the hot water and it drips into your own cup. I mean, it sounds like a lot of work, I'm not gonna lie. Is it easier to walk up to Starbucks and be like, hey, I need a venti with heavy cream? Sure is. But I have to remember that's $60 a month. That's crazy that I'm wasting. I'm not gonna say waste, but that I'm spending on coffee. And I'm trying to, you know, reduce some frivolous expenses. So this is how I'm gonna do it. Step 1. Wish me luck. I'm brewing my own coffee at work. How sad is that? $60, oops, $60 a month. Savings. It adds up. In 10 months, that's $600. So what, $720 a year on coffee? That's a vacation. Nope, not doing it. So, I'm making my coffee at work. I hope you liked my tip. Thumbs up. Any comments below? If you have any good money saving ideas for the new year, or any videos you'd like to see, let me know. And welcome and have a good night. Bye.